In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning blog on Wix Studio. Whether you're starting fresh or adding a blog to your existing website, follow along to see how easy it can be with Wix. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and in the Wix Studio dashboard. Once you're there, find the Add button, which is usually located in the left-hand sidebar. This button is your gateway to adding new elements to your website, from text and images to more complex features like an online store or, in our case, a blog. Let's click on the Add button now. After clicking Add, you'll see a list of options pop up. Look for the option labeled Blog. Selecting this will guide you through adding a blog module to your site. One of the best things about Wix is the variety of options it provides for customizing your website, and this holds true when adding a blog. This brings us to the next part, choosing your blog's layout. The layout is crucial as it determines how your content will be organized and presented to your readers. Go ahead and explore the different layout options available. You'll find designs suited for food blogs, travel diaries, or a more corporate look. The range is wide, so have fun exploring. Once you've settled on a layout that catches your eye, click on it to apply it to your site. Remember, what you pick now isn't set in stone. You can change this later if your vision shifts over time. Up next is customizing your posts. You'll want to ensure your blog reflects your personal or brand identity. You'll find options to do this in the editor. This includes changing fonts, colors, and text sizes to match your brand style or personal taste. You can also add elements like images, videos, or galleries to make your posts visually engaging. Rich media not only strengthens reader engagement, but also enhances the storytelling aspect of your blog. Now that your posts are customized and you're satisfied with the look and feel, it's time to publish your blog. Publishing makes your blog live and accessible to the world. Look for the Publish button, typically located at the top right corner of the Wix editor. Hit that button, and with a little bit of Wix magic, your blog is now live. Your readers can start engaging with your content, bringing your vision to life on the web. And that wraps up our tutorial on setting up your very own blog on Wix Studio. You've learned how to add a blog, choose a layout, customize posts, and publish your content. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope your blogging journey is off to a fantastic start. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make adjustments or add new content. Until next time, happy blogging.